Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to completely transform the way you deal with your daily mail. We are looking at a genuinely brilliant, completely free life hack that solves a universal problem, managing your incoming mail effortlessly, without ever having to guess what's waiting for you out there in the mailbox.
Look, we've all been there. You're waiting on something huge, an important tax document, maybe a birthday check, or a package you really need. The anticipation builds, you walk all the way out to the driveway, open the box and nothing. Or worse, it's just stuffed with 5 identical pizza coupons. It's incredibly frustrating, right? But what if you could just totally eliminate that anxiety and actually know exactly what was arriving before it even reached your home?
Okay, let's dive into this. The fix is called USPS Informed Delivery. This is a digital mail preview service offered directly by the United States Postal Service. And honestly, the tech behind it is pretty fascinating. As your standard letter-sized mail passes through their high-speed automated sorting machines, the equipment literally snaps a grayscale photograph of the front of the envelope. Those images are then sent straight to you, giving you this perfect digital snapshot of your physical mail before it ever even reaches your doorstep. Here is our roadmap for This Explainer. First, we'll meet USPS Informed Delivery. Then we'll cover the steps to sign up for free, verifying your identity, overcoming address eligibility issues, maximizing your mail dashboard, and finally, wrap up with some key takeaways and a quick disclaimer.
All right, part 1, meet USPS Informed Delivery. Let's look at why millions of people use this.
The core benefits here are really all about convenience and total control. Imagine just waking up, grabbing your coffee, checking your phone, and seeing a preview of the exact envelopes arriving that day. You can also seamlessly track package arrivals. If you see a box needs a signature, boom, you can adjust your schedule to make sure you're actually home. And if you travel a lot, this is an absolute game changer for your peace of mind. You can monitor your mailbox from literally anywhere in the world. And the absolute best part is, the whole shebang is a completely free service. Now, a quick number to keep in mind: 10. As a built-in security measure, each Daily Digest email you receive will display a maximum of 10 scanned mail items. This limit helps keep your mail information secure while still giving you a really solid overview of your most important deliveries. And don't worry, if you happen to have more than 10 letters coming, you'll still get a heads up that additional mail is on the way. Moving right along to part 2, steps to sign up for free. Let's get you set up. It basically boils down to a super simple, beginner-friendly 4-step blueprint. First, you just go to the official website. Second, check if your address is eligible. Third, create a free USPS account. And fourth, verify your identity to prove you actually live there. Really? That's it. Let's walk through exactly what this looks like. So, when you first land on informeddelivery.usps.com, you are just looking for the button that clearly says Sign Up for Free. Click that, and your digital journey officially begins. Right after you click, you'll be asked to punch in your mailing address. The system just needs to confirm that this service is actually running in your specific area. Also, a quick heads up here. You have to be a residential consumer or rent a personal P.O. box to get past this step. Business addresses, unfortunately, just aren't eligible for this specific notification service right now. Once your address gets the green light, you'll hit this screen. If you already use the USPS website to buy stamps or print shipping labels, you can just sign right in. If not, no big deal, just hit Create Account. You'll quickly set up a fresh profile with the username, a solid password, and a couple of standard security questions. Which brings us to part 3, verifying your identity. This is absolutely crucial. Because, let's be real, USPS takes your privacy incredibly seriously. They can't just go emailing photos of your mail to anyone who happens to type in your address. You have to prove you are who you say you are and that you live where you say you live. You generally have a few options. You can verify your identity online, you can request a physical invitation code to be mailed to your house, or you can just handle the whole process in person at your local post office. If you go with the online route, which, let's face it, is definitely the fastest, you'll just be asked to provide a mobile phone number to receive a one-time passcode. But keep in mind, they do specify that only domestic U.S. mobile numbers are supported for this specific online verification step. Now, if you opt to verify your identity in person at the post office, you've got to bring the right paperwork. And here's the absolute vital thing to remember. Digital or electronic forms of identification are a hard no. They are never accepted. You can't just flash a picture of your driver's license on your phone. You absolutely must bring a physical, acceptable primary photo ID. Think a state-issued driver's license, a passport, or a recognized border ID. All right, on to part 4, overcoming address eligibility issues. Let's troubleshoot a bit.
Look, we see this frustration all the time. Take this real quote from a Reddit user asking, "Why can't I get informed delivery at my house when I get mail there?" And honestly, it's a completely fair question. If the mail carrier literally drives up to your physical house every single day, shouldn't the digital system recognize you too?
The short answer? It all comes down to how the USPS databases are wired on the back end. To be eligible, your address has to be what they call uniquely coded. It's a really strict requirement, so the system can guarantee that only you are viewing your personal mail dashboard. So, if you live in a big apartment building where the mailboxes aren't perfectly separated in their digital system, it might kick back an error. And, like we mentioned, it's not for businesses, and even valid personal P.O. boxes will fail if they're missing that unique coding. Oh, and one more thing. Don't panic if you're waiting on a magazine or a huge envelope and it doesn't show up in your email preview. The automated sorting machines generally only snap pictures of standard letter-sized mail. Let's dive into part 5, maximizing your mail dashboard. Time to turn you into a power user. This is where it gets really good, because inside the Informed Delivery dashboard, you can do way more than just look at pictures. You can actually click into a package to see its entire tracking history. If you know you're going to be at work, you can leave specific delivery instructions like, "Hey, please leave this box on the back porch." You can instantly schedule a redelivery if you miss the mail carrier. You can even add custom nicknames to your tracking numbers so you know exactly which box is your new shoes and which is the dog food. Plus, you can easily tweak your text alerts to get updates in real time. But as you're managing all this, you absolutely need to know your timelines, because your digital history doesn't just sit in the dashboard forever. Those grayscale images of your letter-sized mail, they only hang around on the dashboard for 7 days. Package tracking info gives you a little more breathing room, staying visible for 15 days after the package is actually delivered. So if you ever need a permanent record of a scanned envelope, make sure you save or screenshot it before that first week is up. And finally, part 6, final takeaways and disclaimer. Let's bring it all home. To sum this all up rapidly, Informed Delivery is an incredibly useful, entirely free tool that gives you a daily digital preview of your physical mail. The sign-up is super fast at informeddelivery.usps.com, but you do have to pass a strict identity verification process for security. Remember, it only works for uniquely coded residential addresses and personal P.O. boxes. And please, don't just stop at the daily emails. Actually log into your dashboard to take full advantage of those advanced package management features. I highly encourage you to go set this up for yourself right now. And hey, share your setup experiences or any clever ways you use the dashboard down in the comments. Just to wrap things up with a quick disclaimer, the information we've covered in this explainer is accurate as of July 28, 2026. Because we're dealing with a government service here, please make sure you verify all the nitty-gritty details, acceptable IDs, and eligibility requirements directly with the USPS, as their procedures can and do change over time. Now that you've unlocked the ability to practically see the future of your physical mailbox, what other daily offline routines do you think are just waiting to be digitized next?